Wow, and now to a developing story. Lawsuits that allege corruption within the NYPD at the center of accusations geared towards Mayor Adams, some of his hand-picked police officials. January's Tracy Sarena is live from our newsroom. Tracy, those filing it are calling this a culture of, quote, rampant corruption and cronyism.
It really is bombshell lawsuits pointing the finger at familiar names in local law enforcement. Now, these 4 filings accuse the NYPD under Mayor Eric Adams of selling promotions and pushing out cops who questioned them. And one of the plaintiffs is former Chief of Detectives James Essick. His suit claims he was offered the options of a demotion with a pay cut or to resign after raising concerns. His lawsuit says favoritism in hiring resulted in a high number of unvetted detectives being placed in the Special Victims Unit, a sensitive department that works on sex crimes. In another lawsuit, a former Assistant Chief of Internal Affairs says he was forced out after investigating former Chief of Department Jeffrey Maddrey. Maddrey stepped down in December after admitting he had a sexual relationship with a subordinate, a police officer who racked up $200,000 in overtime pay. Now, he says the sex was consensual and that he had no role in her overtime.
Given what your clients are alleging, should the people of New York City believe the NYPD is a merit-based system?
Not under this administration. No, they should not.
Another plaintiff alleged he uncovered a pattern of unconstitutional stops and searches. Now, that lawsuit says former police commissioner Keishant Sewell took his concerns seriously, escalating that issue in a meeting with Mayor Adams. The lawsuit goes on to say Sewell suddenly resigned within hours of that meeting. It's not clear if the discussion played any role in her decision. Now, a request for comment from Jeffrey Maddrey's attorneys weren't immediately returned. A spokesperson for Mayor Adams' office says City Hall will be reviewing these lawsuits. Michael, back to you.
All right, Tracy, thank you.